It's Black Friday time. You know it. You can feel it in the air. And we got early bird access for you, actually only for the first 100 people right now. You got to click the link below to go sign up. ukelikethepros.com, store.ukelikethepros.com, and rocklikethepros.com are going to blow you away this Black Friday. And what we're going to do here is we're going to offer early bird access. That means if you sign up below, the first 100 people, you're going to get all the sales before anybody else. So maybe there's a new uke that you're looking for at store.ukelikethepros.com. Our courses, our membership, ukulele, guitar, doesn't matter. You're going to get early access. And the first 100 people that sign up below are going to get a special gift with all your purchases on Black Friday. So this is it. Exciting time of the year. I love it. Black Friday, early bird access right now. ukelikethepros.com, store.ukelikethepros.com, rocklikethepros.com. All you got to do, though, is click that link below and go sign up.